today we are going to close on our new cottage. It is in the city of Lake Michigan. It's not on Lake Michigan. It's further inland, but we are very excited to be taking on this new adventure with having a rental up north, and we've been looking for a few months now, and we feel like we found the perfect one, and we can't wait to show you just what we picked out.
This is a very heavy Amish community. So this is the backyard. There's it's just about a full acre. It's like 0.8 acres total. It's got this cool camp grill. He's got some campfire wood all tarped up here, and then some better seasoned indoor wood back there. This shed I'll show you is got tools and hardware and stuff in it. And check this out. They left us a boat. He said he's gonna send me the title. They were so nice, the people that sold us the home. We got to talk to them for a little while. It's a really cool little fishing boat. I don't know how long it is, maybe 12, 14 feet, something like that. So getting this place, we didn't escape the leaves. The SSL Family mom is trying to take care of these these leaves. House sits on a crawl space. This is the access to it. I'm gonna probably make something new for this. This isn't a really great design as far as the cover goes, but there's a brand new on-demand hot water heater and a brand new furnace downstairs, 4-stair furnace. And then this lot next door is all ours also, all the way to the corner, all the way to the street. So got a nice little deck, little hilly front yard. Take you inside. So this is 1,100 square feet. So this is the living area. Look at that, we got a nice wood stove. Might need to upgrade that one, it's not a very nice one, it's a pretty cheap wood stove. Got a nice little living space here, a little kind of living room, dining room combo. And then behind me is the little kitchen. So all this has been redone. New cabinets, countertops, backsplash, sink, new stove, gas stove, refrigerator, full bath back here. This will be a future renovation. This is one of the only places that really needs some work. Linoleum floor. Not a real fan of the toilet, but it's newer. Shower is kind of mess, stained and stuff, so we might need to replace this whole thing. Might do something nice in here. Get rid of the bathtub. Because does anyone really use a bathtub anymore? So we've got some work to do with this. It needs to be cleaned out. I need to check and clean the chimney before I have any fires in here. This is not a nice surround. It's like a vinyl plank mat that this sits on. This closet, we hope to try to fit a washer dryer combo in. There's no washer and dryer in this cottage, so that's going to be a point that we will need to update. This is the master bedroom. All the flooring has been redone in the house with vinyl plank, but it needs trim. So one of the first things I'm going to do, I'll come up here and we'll get all new trim put in, some electrical that I'll have to update, some breakers that don't work. This is the space underneath the stairs. So it's a deep closet. And then this is the upstairs. So right now it's very crude steps, and this will need to get prettied up. So we'll figure out a way to probably put some stair treads in here and stain or paint. So there's windows on each side. They just used a window air conditioner to keep it cool in the summer. All brand new carpet up here. And so this just has two sides. There's the side over here, we'll put a bed, and there's a closet. This is closet space. There's a closet door on the other side. And then we'll put another bed up in this area. So we'll have 2 full beds in here, so you can sleep 4 up here, plus we'll probably end up having like a cot or something like that where you could sleep extra kids. So today is the first real day up here, and we have limited time. We're very busy. We've got a lot going on at home. We've got a lot of projects going on in the homestead, plus in ministry, jobs, all that stuff. So we're only up here for a few hours today, a few hours another day, and we're gonna try to get as much done as possible. So we wanna set this whole thing up as a functioning Airbnb. that can be rented out the majority of the year, but that we can also reserve for our own time up here when we have time to come up. We're going to use it as a vacation home, but also as an investment. And so we need to furnish this whole place. We got to get beds, we got to get mattresses, we got to get internet set up. So today I'm going to do some of the basics. We're going to set a security camera up. We want to have access to the heating and cooling, so we need to get the internet going. Clean up around the yard. SSL Family Mom is doing that with the leaf blower. Going to put together some of the beds and get some of the mattresses airing out. So first step, got my equipment sent from Spectrum. Got a Ring security floodlight camera, and we've got a router that I've never used before. This is an Amazon. This is their Arrow Wi-Fi system. It's a mesh system. So that's what we're gonna set up first, and we'll go from there. Good Spectrum cable. Isn't that awesome? That's the one.
Right.
So you guys can take it upstairs.
Dad, I don't think I'm ever going on those stairs ever again.
All right, success. We have internet set up, and I will pretty that up later. I did not go. You can get a built-in combo unit from Spectrum, from any internet provider. You can get their combo unit, but they charge you an extra $10 a month. So I'm not going to do that. It's usually a lesser quality router, and I'm not going to pay $10 a month. That's $120 a year, where the cost of this was less than that. So I'm going to save money, and I'm going to get a better Wi-Fi system. Apple, in their infinite wisdom, can't put an Ethernet port on a computer. Isn't that great? All right, looks like I'm going to do this setup from my phone. Probably not the computer. Let me see if I can do it from the computer anyway. Let me see if I can not listen to anything this says and do it my own way. All right, looks like we're gonna have to use the app. All right, that was pretty easy. It actually has to be set up via Bluetooth from the app. So you just get the Arrow app and set this up. So this is all good to go. And now we can move on to setting up our Ring security cameras. Okay, we're all set, hooked up to the app, hooked up to the Wi-Fi, and now we'll get notifications if anyone is up here. And the cool thing about this is you can actually talk back to them. So from home, we can, if somebody's delivering a package or a neighbor comes by or something, we can actually talk to somebody. Or we can scare animals away, which will be fun too, because there's a siren on it. Security is one of the things that we had concerns about because we're not going to be up here every single day. As we get this set up as an Airbnb, it will be more occupied regularly. But we want to make sure we have cameras up here. And one of the neighbors just stopped by and said they've been here for 20 years, and this is one of the safest and most quiet neighborhoods she's ever lived in. So, and she's 90 years old. So that says a lot. So that's good. And I ran out of gas in the leaf blower, so we'll have to bring up some more gas next time. That's one of the things that's going to be difficult about having two homes is repairs and things like that. I don't have all my tools and all my hardware and all my extra stuff here. You know what? There actually might be gas. Look at that. There's more gas. Huh, he left us some gas. That's mixed gas, so I probably should keep leaf blowing. And this is the Johnson 5.5 Seahorse, the boat motor. And this basically works. It's got a fuel tank here that has a fuel hookup. I have to research this a little bit because I think this has a special type of fuel line that goes from here to the engine. But that he said is working. It just needs to have a new fuel line set up. So as we were blowing leaves, we discovered a little grave. God has you in his keeping. We have you in our heart. A pet or a person? That's interesting. One of the things we really liked about this place was the nice little campfire spot. So There's some built-in benches here that need a little work, refinishing, and maybe some new boards on top of that one. And they put in this barbecue. This is like a state park, county park charcoal barbecue. It's really cool. It's nice, but it's a real nice little spot. It's nice and secluded because of the privacy fence and just where everything is at. Kind of like camping without the camper. Not bad. It's kind of cool here. There's no grass really. Well, I guess there's some grass. There's some grass, but it's all just like moss. So it should be easy to mow. Next mission, build a bed. So the SSL Family mom is up here. She's building the second full bed for up here.
Just a bed frame.
So let's see. Okay, cool. I'm building the big master bedroom queen bed downstairs.
Yes.
So we're gonna race and see who can get done first.
I'm gonna win.
Now you've already built one of these, so you're kind of
Oh, sure. You have to
just
say that. I'm gonna win. No
you're
matter
more
what.
experienced.
Okay, you wanna switch? I'll build the other bed.
No, I got this. All right, let's see how she's doing up here. Are you kidding me?
I'm almost done.
No way. What do you have left to do? Put all the slats in?
Yep, and all they do is pop in. I don't have to screw them.
Oh my gosh, I gotta go hurry. All I have to do is connect these two things together, put those on. I don't know what those are, legs, and all the slats. I'm way behind. Seriously?
Done. Very
Where's the mattress?
inexpensive.
It's supposed to be on it. Pillows?
Oh,
sheets?
really? What's your status?
I'm like halfway done. I think these would be nice. It's nice. They look way more sturdy than the ones we've had in the past. Well, I am not done, but I'm close. Done. Might need a mattress. Use caution.
Whoa.
This is what happens when we go to a Dollar General.
We tried to get
We
some.
got, look at, what am I holding?
thought you
What
were
is
taking a
this?
video.
What you have? We're gonna spend
Are
more
you ready
money
for us?
than possible here. Where is Summer? So we're headed back up to the cabin for another day to try to get some more things done, and we're gonna stay the night tonight. We didn't have pillows. We didn't have any food. We didn't have anything to drink. So we stopped at a dollar store and we spent over $200, which I think is a record maybe at the dollar store. I don't think I've ever spent over $200 at a Dollar General.
At a dollar store.
So we're on the way back. We're gonna get hopefully some more things done tonight, and we're gonna cook over our new grill.
Wait, did we get charcoal?
No, we're gonna use sticks. All right, we are back. Day 2 at the cabin, and we've got a lot of building to do. We've got some shelves and some tables and some chairs to assemble that have been purchased. Have all of our trim up here. That'll be tomorrow's project, and another shelf to build in here. We've got to make some beds sleepable. So I will get started with assembling things, and we'll show you what the completed products look like. All right, first up, microwave shelf and little kitchen shelf done. So we got this all set up here. This is gonna be one side, this bed's set, and then we got the full spot back here. This is great. This will be awesome.
I think the pillows are better than mine at home.
Chairs, table, done. Cubby over there, done. It is now the next morning, and the first task today is gonna be to take off all these old baseboard electric heat. All right, well, it's time to run uptown here and grab some provisions. We need a few things for the cabin. So here's our little the little general store. This is what we got. This is Lake Station. I think this used to be an old train station. They've turned it into like a bike path that goes through here now. It's the Lake General Store. Oh, sweet. They actually have, there's actually like fresh produce here. So it's like a tiny little grocery store. Yeah, this is like it's a general store. They got everything in here. Look at this. Some of this water for the coffee maker. I want all of that. I'm hungry. But the one thing we need is bottled water. Do they have that?
Oh yeah, that's why we came here.
Oh, look. It's right there. What is that? All right. Trim is done in this room all the way around, and in the kitchen and all that is done as well. We're gonna have to come back with some paint and match this and cover this spot up. I hate Honeywell thermostats, so this has got to go. All right, we are gonna say goodbye for today. Lots more to do. We still have a couch to come here. We've got a table that I have at home I need to refinish and bring up. Lots of decorating to do. And I have to fix these treacherous stairs, finish some trim here, move that cable jack. Lots and lots and lots to do, but what do you think? You think this is gonna be a good place for us and a good Airbnb?
It's my favorite place. I hope a lot of people like it. I hope people enjoy it because it's just a beautiful cabin. We found a great cabin, great place, great neighborhood. Already met our first neighbor. It's great.
I think this place is going to work. It's going to be a great little vacation spot for us. Hopefully a great vacation spot for others as well. So you have to let us know what you think. Any of you guys out there who have done an Airbnb before or have a secondary home cottage type thing that you rent out, let us know what you think. Any tips and tricks, we'll take them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along for this little journey for us. We've never done anything like this before, and so this is all kind of new territory for us, but we hope that this will work out. Thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe, of course, if this is your first time here, you'd like to tag along with the channel. We'll do a lot more videos on this Airbnb. We're gonna be giving you guys a lot of details on getting this thing up and running, the rest of the renovations and upgrades we need to do to the house, and we'll take you guys along for how well it works for us. We'll see you next time.